Ralph here once again. It's kind of geeky, but I want to see what's faster in regard to OOP or a raw function when utilizing derangements. So let's run the first one. We're using IPython magic, time it. And we're looking at 121 microseconds on the OOP operation. Now for the function itself, utilizing IPython magic as well, just for a few loops. All right, we are looking at 56.9 microseconds, but large standard deviation. So now we're going to run it for a lot of loops and see what happens. Back to the OOP, and we run it through. And basically, we come up with a time of 38.1 microseconds at 1.71 standard deviation for 1,000 loops at 7 runs. And now for the function, let's give it a shot, see which is faster. And we come up with 25.5 microseconds at 1.85 with 7 runs at 1,000 loops. Function wins. Ralph signing off. Catch you all in a bit. Bye.